Ah, okay, a little incision here. Ooh, Gonzo.
Oh, wow.
Did you see that? We just made an incision, Mr. Elmo, and you've got some material that's oozing out.
Zoom in right to there. Ooh.
Did you see that?
You have a friend wanting to come out, sir. I want to squeeze it.
Oh. Pay no attention to her. Poor Elmo. All right, we're gonna have to empty this. You ready, Gonzo? Got a good shot at it?
See.
Here we go.
Okay, I'll stop.
You want to see it, Mr. Elmo? What came out of you?
Sure.
Don't go in here. Don't go anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
He's gonna come up to you.
You're gonna have this is kind of what we're getting out of you.
Nice.
Yeah. Looks like
cottage cheese.
Yeah, dude, that's not pretty.
Not really, but that's as close as I'm gonna get to.
You know what? Here's the whole sack, so we're gonna be able to remove this thing nice. Actually, it's kind of a child today.
I'm a child. It's Friday.
It is Friday, that's for sure.
Yeah,
You're not instilling confidence in our pal Elmo here.
Hey, I'm not doing the procedure. You are, so.
Just because we gave him a Sesame Street name doesn't mean you get to act Sesame Street.
Yes, I can. Darn it, I forgot the song.
See that right there? You got a good look at that?
Yo.
That's all sack material right there. Good. It's Gonzo.
You have to have it.
I didn't realize you were famous.
Oh, she's famous. Yeah.
Oh, you're too famous to talk to me.
Oh, look at that.
That's famous, all right. See that little spot right there?
You're not going to.
All right, I got. Well, because you're kind of a chicken. Can you do that little spot for me? Wait, let me feel it. Right there. You just give it a little spritz. That's it. Woo! Whoa, that's cold. Gotta do it again here in a second.
Well, yeah, because you moved.
I rest my case.
No, we're not gonna freeze yours because it hurts too much. Go ahead and do mine here.
Don't move.
Woo! 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 Did you get it?
Yes.
It stings. It just stings a little bit. It stings more on the face than say it does on anywhere else like your leg or something. But I mean, I would never. That'd be much too painful to actually do on your skin because it's. Gonzo's gonna have to operate on me. And nobody better make fun of my ugly foot or the.
Ow!
Yeah.
There's a lot. You can even see it. What is?
Yep. If I feel a lot of pain, I'll be screaming, and I won't like that. Whoa, that's cold. Here, you want me to do the cold spray? Yeah, but you have to kind of be ready. You're not. Okay, I'm gonna spray this. Oh my goodness.
Gonzo's gonna do a procedure. No, see, you can't.
I feel like I'm you with the cold spray here.
Yeah.
You can do it.
There.
Yeah.
Need to make it bigger.
One more. There you go. There you go.
Don't cut yourself, Doc.
Just
Squeeze.
squeeze a little bit. Ooh.
Yeah.
Look at that coming out of there.
Beautiful color.
Full color.
Beautiful.
Ow, that hurt.
Beautiful color. I mean, she can have it here.
Probably didn't even need the cold spray. Oh,
Yes.
Good job, Gonzo.
Learned something from the best, huh?
Exactly.
I don't know. It already feels better. It was pretty sore.
Somebody feeling better.
Wipe that more and get more of that all over there. That is nasty. Yeah, this started 6 days ago from doing power walking at lunchtime and got irritated.
Wearing the wrong shoes.
Well, wearing work shoes, right?
Did I tell you exercise will kill you?
See?
Yeah, exercise will kill you.
See, all of it, it's right here on the bottom now.
On top?
Okay. You can use the scalpel and open it up a little bit more. Don't stab me with the scalpel. Oh, ow. Just be careful. Just be careful. I got tender feet.
You're such a big baby.
I'm not a baby. You think this is funny? I can cut your toes. You didn't do anything there. Did that even open up?
Yes, it did. Didn't you just see it? I just want to cut you. You're making me nervous.
Turn the scalpel the other direction.
This way?
Yeah. Now go to your left a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
I said I didn't open it. Sorry, I have to squeeze.
There we go.
Little
The
bit.
more out.
Get more
There
out
you
of there.
go.
Oh yeah, that feels like something's coming out of there.
Gross.
Okay, all right. I think that's going to be good. We'll just put a Band-Aid on there. We don't need to stick the doctor anymore. Thank you for
don't
your
need a-
help.
you don't
You're
need a
all
pedicure?
wonderful. I'll get a pedicure when I'm done, I promise. I don't worry about such things.
I will send you to a very good one.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. There we go. A little cold spray. You're about to feel a stop. Good. You're about to feel a little stick, my friend.
Stick, sting, and a burn.
That's pretty good, Gonzo. How'd you do on your test yesterday, ladies?
Great.
I think you both had a test, didn't you?
Yes.
Got the same class.
Same class. Same headache.
You haven't got your grades yet, have you?
No.
No, I'm like anxious.
Me too.
That is what the punch biopsy tool. This is a 5mm punch
Can't see
biopsy tool. Can't see that? How about that?
There.
That's what it looks like right there. So we're just going to take it and we're going to go right over the top of this little cyst, just like we would if we were doing a punch biopsy of a suspicious skin lesion of some kind.
And I don't feel it.
And you shouldn't feel it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, let's pull that back out, and we're going to grab on here with our forceps, and we're going to gently lift up, and we're going to snip that right out. And you can see we've got cyst in there, don't we, guys?
That's awesome.
You see that?
I've never seen you use that one before.
Is it a lot?
Oh no, it's
a
looking real
small.
good, my friend. Yes, it's small, but that's okay.
But
See
it's
that right there?
cottage. It's cottage.
Cottage cheese.
See that cyst right there? I'm going to keep tugging on it. It may just come on out for us.
You feel pain?
Yeah, I feel a little pressure,
Pressure?
down there.
You feel a little tugging?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all you should feel.
Mm-hmm.
Did you
felt
feel
that?
pain? Just you feel a little pressure. Feels strange, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Did I get you that time?
No, you're all right.
Are you messing with me?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's okay if you want to mess with me a little bit.
I just want to see if it's still there.
As long as I'm not really hurting you, I don't. That's fine with me.
Mm.
You feel a little tug?
Yeah, I do. A lot coming out.
Don't go anywhere, Boom Boom.
Okay.
All right. Gonzo, I may need a real 4x4.
Why'd you get that one?
I just grabbed what was there. You were busy in the hall.
Well, you make me work. You know better than.
Well, I try not to make you work. I know better. We're going to take that out. This is just sack material coming out right here. I mean, we're ready for you to spray the cold spray.
Sorry, está helado.
No se mueve. Don't tense up.
Relájese. Respire. Deme la mano.
Respira. Muy
Apriéteme la
grande.
mano.
Are you much of a football fan? Because today we're talking about football today. No?
She doesn't care right now.
That hurt?
Yeah, a little bit.
Come on. Really? You were very brave.
Now you gotta put a band-aid on her.
Okay, we're going to put you a Band-Aid.
So I hope this time they work.
Well, it'll work for a little while. Hopefully it'll last more than just a few months, right? Scarlett, what happened to your arm right there? Suddenly I realized you've been attacked by a ravenous animal.
Yes, I have.
What happened to your arm?
We'll talk about that later.
We'll talk about that later.
What happened? Ow.
Gonzo bit me.
That's what I thought. Let's go to work. Yeah, no, let's go to work. Say goodbye, Gonzo.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video. Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
In your own words, tell us your experience with Meta 7.
Oh my goodness, I have a lot more energy, a lot more focus. I can go longer throughout the day without getting tired. I love it. I recommend it to everybody that I know.
Do you feel artificial? Do you feel like you've taken a stimulant of some kind when you take it?
No.
You feel
No,
natural?
Very natural.
No
I
jitter,
no,
jittery?
very healthy, very natural.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I just reordered a 90-day supply I have more energy, am in a better mood.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.